Yes, my name's Craig, cabin manager on your 35-minute flight to Leeds Bradford Airport. I'd also like to introduce my colleague Kelly. Please note it's Kelly's birthday, so as she passes through the cabin and gives you all a drink, please wish her a happy birthday. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and when it's safe to leave your seats, take care when opening any overhead bins. Items may try and take off and could fall out and cause injury. We require all customers to wear a face mask at all times during the flight. It's important it covers your mouth and nose. You may take it off if you wish to consume any food or drink, but please put it back on afterwards. And the same applies if you're sleeping, please keep your mask on. And if you're feeling unwell or you require any assistance, stay in your seat and press the call bell above you, and then we can come and provide assistance at your seat. In a few moments' time, we'll be passing through the cabin with water and a snack for everybody. It's complimentary.